Just cut 16-foot white oak slabs. This would be a 3-inch thick bar top slab. This 10-quarter bar top slab, about 27 inches wide. This is a book matched white oak 10-quarter set. This one's really nice, about 52 inches by 16 feet. This is the center cut set in the log, about 52 to 54 inches wide by 16 feet, 10-quarter. Tons of crazy ray fleck on this set here. Try to pick it up. There, you got it. You can see it now. That's all the way down the slab. Back side of these slabs are clear. This one's got a crack on that goes through right about in there. That'd have to be epoxied. Next set, another 10-quarter book matched set, about 50 inches wide by 16 feet. Got 2 cracks in about 2 feet. Those are 10-quarter also. And then I got a pair of 10-quarter single slabs, or they could be book matched together. Again, 16 feet long, 10-quarter. First coat of pentacryl. Then I'm gonna put 2 more on. Then I put a full coat of anchor seal on the face, reduced 50%. Flip them. 3 coats of pentacryl on the back, and then again the anchor seal. Pentacryl speeds up drying about 30%, and I virtually get no checks or cracks. And I put the anchor seal on to slow down the drying on this white oak. White oak's about the hardest wood to dry without defect.